Hi, how are you? Are you looking for new project in UAE? Coffee shop, cafeteria, supermarket, restaurant, hypermarket, hotel, any project, you can contact me. I will search for you good location based your inquiry. Also, we are doing interior decor, signboard work, fit out project, contracting, furniture supply with installation. You can contact me 0524572720. UAE anywhere. We can give you 2D, 3D design with the full project. Up to hand over the key, we can do all. You can contact by WhatsApp 0524572720. All kinds of carpentry work, painting work, maintenance work. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.